अगर आपको अवार्ड देना हो?
मैं ऋतिक का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ। This year I think genuinely बाबा, मुन्ना भाई, आमिर भाई और रणबीर प्रसाद is going to be tough for ऋतिक.
बेस्ट एक्टर के लिए नॉमिनेट किया, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि आपको अवार्ड मिलेगा। Both father and son, what do you feel inside right now? Or is it just another award?
I think winning or losing is not the question. The question is of being there and be there.
Because Don ki zindagi, being a Don is not easy. You know, you get shot by bullets. So I recently, just about 2 days ago, got shot in my thigh, right here, and I have torn my hamstring. So in one night, I have turned from Don to Dev Saran of Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna. The truth is,
best action goes to
Shyam Kaushal and Tony Sweet Ching for Krish.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The best sound design goes to Mr. Jitendra Chaudhary and Nakul Kamde for Krish.
The spotlight goes on to Hrithik Roshan.
Wow.
Hrithik Roshan.
Where is he? You were amazing in Dhoom 2. You did not need that magnetic hand. Your magnetic personality was enough here.
Oops.
Yeah.
I guess I forgot to put on silent. Hello? Who? Steven Spielberg. You saw Dhoom 2. What? Hrithik Roshan. He wants to drop Brad Pitt and sign Hrithik Roshan for his next film.
Can't believe it.
And coming back to the awards now, it's time to honor the men who gave us a whole new language.
Har dil mein karta bud H2SO4. This man must have really loved chemistry with all his heart here.
The nomination for the... Do you want to talk?
Yeah.
You want to get done?
Brad Pitt is gone.
Brad Pitt is gone.
Hey,
Hrithik Roshan is in.
Hrithik, can I just negotiate on your behalf, all right? Okay, I'm going to talk. Mr. Spielberg, hi. Oh, you talk to him. You want to sign Mr. Hrithik Roshan? Oh, that's great.
I think less than 20 mil.
10 million? Oh, no way, man. Yaar, partner, kuch zyada to nahi bol diya na? Huh?
Let's go back 20 years. Now we're making a Krish remake, but 20 years back. So who would you put in your film 20 years back?
I wouldn't have made the film without Hrithik Roshan.
I'm going to come to a very good-looking couple. Okay, babes, your turn. अगर आपको इस लॉट में हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के एक्टर्स में से एक को चूज करना पड़े कि कौन हमारी इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम को कैप्टन कर सकता है इस वक्त, तो आप किसको चूज करेंगे?
well, मैं क्या अपने जॉन का क्वेश्चन आंसर कर सकती हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे भी राखी सावंत बहुत पसंद है और मैं बिग बॉस में बोर हो चुकी हूँ क्योंकि राखी सावंत निकल गई है. You know, let me get, you know, I want to be with Rakhi Sawant. And if I have to choose a captain, right now I think I'll choose Hrithik Roshan. He is
Why?
Well, he is sporting, he is running around in Dhoom and Krish, I think. And he'll spin the ball well.
He'll spin the ball very well. He'll spin a lot of people over. He'll be bowled over by Hrithik. Okay, now, you know, Bipasha ne kaha ki she likes Rakhi Sawant as well. I mean, she supported you with your answer. Aap kuch kehna chahenge? Would you want to support her and say you also like Hrithik Roshan a lot?
I love Hrithik. I think the concept of a beautiful man is fulfilled by someone like Hrithik Roshan. He's gorgeous.
Thank you so much. Well, आपने देखा, आपने सुना, ऋतिक रोशन, राखी सावंत सबके favorites हैं. Now it's time to go back. Arbaz, Manisha, all yours.
And I'm going to tell, you know, this monopoly of one wife is damaging. We should have competition. It's better service. But, we should try this in the film industry. So next time Yash Raj has its next hit, instead of saying this production house has gone up by 10 points, we'll say it has got 10 new wives. Rakesh ji is here. Filmcraft has gone up by 15 wives, Pinky ji. My company, Red Chilies, is not doing very well, so I'll stick to one wife. By that yardstick, Rakesh Roshan ji can take many jokes. He's made some of the biggest hits ever. Hey, let's have a hand for Rakesh ji. But this gets even better for me because I am, though I'm not good enough, मेरी इतनी हैसियत नहीं है, लेकिन I am to announce and call for someone who has been very, very special in my life. A great, great filmmaker. And let me incidentally also just announce, we can give lots of names to this award when it comes to the gentleman I'm referring to. The award is named as the Outstanding Excellence and Innovation in Cinema, but he's even beyond the name of this award. The person I'm talking about is none other than who this award is actually made for: excellence and innovation in Indian cinema, Mr. Rakesh Roshan. I'm not going to call you on stage as yet, sir. Though, having said all that, my hair is better than yours. I can joke with him. He loves me. I think when the last time I was on stage, I sang a song for him. I'll sing it for you again. ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारीफ. Wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. A close friend of his, a close colleague of his who's worked with him in films, who's going to come and give the award to this great gentleman. I would like to hear the loudest applause from Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. Shatru, thank you for gracing the occasion. A little tribute to you, Rakesh ji. So everybody, please look at your hand.
सबसे राकेश रोशन के साथ ये हमारा सौभाग्य था. It was our first directorial venture of Rakesh Roshan. A very good film, a popular film, Khud Garz. I had the opportunity and honor and privilege to work with Rakesh Roshan in his maiden film as a director, along with the ageless wonder, man of all seasons, the famous actor Jitendra. Jitendra and myself, we acted together. And after that, he has never looked back. I hereby invite our friend, director par excellence, the pride of Indian film industry and the pride of Asian film industry, Rakesh Roshan, on the stage. His most outstanding contribution to Indian cinema, Asian cinema, and of course tomorrow, the world cinema. Rakesh Roshan, give him a big hand.
थैंक यू जीफा फॉर दिस ऑनर. आप लोगों ने इतना कह दिया कि मेरे लिए कुछ कहने का बाकी नहीं रहा. इतनी तारीफ कर दी है कि मैं अब क्या कहूँ. Well, anyhow, the journey has been fulfilling so far, and I accept this award not for the contribution which I've made in the last 35 years, but for the contribution I'm going to make for the coming 35 years. Thank you.
It's been a great evening.
It's been a great year for Indian cinema, 2006. We started with Rang De Basanti. Soon Fana followed. Then Krish, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, Omkara. There were debut directors who gave Khosla Ka Ghosla, and then Bean Cyrus. Wow, what a year.
And the award goes to